Imagine that you're releasing all of your cares and concerns, and you feel a sense of relief and deep peace. Then you look out to the ocean and you see a mermaid in whatever form suits you. So your ideal mermaid is swimming towards you. She or he is splashing around and making huge bubbles. And then an enormous bubble comes up and totally envelops you until you find yourself inside a mermaid bubble. It's peaceful, it's safe, it's relaxing, and you feel totally protected. And you can stay in this bubble for as long as you like, or you can take your finger and pop the bubble and it will go, but you can bring this bubble back anytime through this visualization. And it's a really simple technique that you can do anywhere, at any time, to make yourself feel calm, relaxed and at peace, especially during these challenging lockdown times.